In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join Microsoft Teams meeting as a guest, and for this you'll not even need to have an account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. I'll do this using two accounts. First, I'll start a meeting, and to start a meeting I just go to Microsoft Teams, log into my account and create a meeting. So to start a meeting, I'll head over to chat here and straight away start a meeting here. So if I click on this, now I can start a meeting. So I'll go ahead and start a meeting, and this you can hear the meeting is now on. I will now need to share this meeting link to guests so that they can join. Now I'll just copy this as a guest and go to a different browser and show you how I can join this meeting that is already running. Now to do that, I'll go to a different browser. I'll use this and pretend that I'm a guest. I've just received the link. I'll copy it into my browser here and then enter to go to Microsoft Teams. So this is prompting me to open Microsoft Teams app. So I'll cancel this because if I open the app, I'll be logged into the same account that is running the meeting. I'll therefore continue on browser, and here I'll give it some few seconds before I can join the meeting. You can see it is even picking my microphone, and here I'll need to allow while using this site. I'll allow this to use the camera that I'll be using as well as the microphone. This is my current microphone. I will allow at this time, or I can just click on allow while visiting this site. Any of this will do. And now I'll give it some few seconds. And look at that, now I'm in. Now here I can now listen into the meeting as well as contribute. As you can see, I've already joined the meeting. So let me give it a name, maybe guest speaker, and then click on join now. And as you can see, it is connecting. I'm told here waiting in lobby. So I've just left the meeting. That's how you can join Microsoft Teams meeting as a guest. If you wish to rejoin, I can also rejoin from here. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.